have a prepayment meter for my gas and electricity. I pay in advance on a card and a key, respectively. And sometimes on an evening the lights suddenly go out. All hell breaks loose, and in a state of panic everyone begins to shout. I go through the drawer with a light from my lighter to find the electric key. I put the electric key in the meter to get the emergency. Normality is restored, but I have had my warning. I must go to the shop first thing in the morning. I get up, I plug the bath, turn on the tap and get a piss. I go downstairs and I make myself a cup. I take me cup upstairs and I put my foot into the bath. I sneak into the bedroom to find my dressing gown. If I can't find mine, I put the wife's on and I look a proper clown. Our meter is on the outside wall of our modest terrace. Anyone at the window in the next street, they can clearly see us. I put my card in the meter and the little green light comes on. And after about a minute, it informs me that my credit's gone. You have £5 available for emergencies. If you need more information, please press button B. Press button A and please wait. Shivering in my pink furry state, I press button A and I wait. If your appliances are off, please press and hold button A and please wait. I have no gas, my appliances are off, I press and hold button A and I wait. For gas, release button A and please wait. Shivering in my pink furry state, I release button A and I wait. About 10 seconds later, the meter sounds a bong. I remove my card and return to the house. The gas is now back on. My tea by this time is freezing and my neighbours have all had a laugh. By the time I've reset the combi, my wife has stole the bath.